Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. While caring for a client who requires a mechanical ventilator for breathing, the high-pressure alarm goes off on the ventilator. What is the first action the nurse should perform? A. Disconnect the client from the ventilator and use a manual resuscitation bag. B. Perform a quick assessment of the client's condition. C. Call the respiratory therapist for help. D. Press the alarm reset button on the ventilator. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.